Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on Samsung Galaxy A73. And to do this we'll need to open a settings. Now go for advanced features. Inside there's motions and gestures, and now we can see them all. First one is lift to wake. If you enable it, you can lock your phone, place it on a surface. Then when you pick it up, it should wake up like this. Next one is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. That's two options. And now if you lock your phone, you can double press to wake up or double press again to lock. And the next feature is keep screen on while viewing. If you enable it, your phone should never time out when you look on in the camera, because I guess that's the point, that detects your face and it won't lock the device. Next one is alert when phone is picked up. If you enable it and lock your phone, place it on a surface, then if there's any calls or messages and you missed them, next time you pick up your phone it should vibrate. You can also enable or disable mute with gestures. So if you place your phone upside down like this, it should mute all incoming calls. There's also option to mute incoming call by placing your hand above the phone like this, and the call should be muted. Last one is palm swipe to capture, and that's a screenshot feature. So if you perform it like that, it should capture the screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.